Hi guys, in case when the car does not hold a handbrake or keep it at the very end, it should be pull it. To tighten the handbrake, you need to twist this gear with using these screwdrivers, like that. The brake pads fit tighten to the brake discs, like that, or retreat from it. Turn the gear, then check. If not holding, then turn on. That's all to work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and put like.